This is about 2 years of usage of a Ikea365 28 centimeter non-stick pan on a gas hob. I think it's time for a replacement. So my helper uses these pretty much every day, and well,
Daddy, Auntie.
okay, you can hold this, Bubble.
The big one?
Yeah. So online I can see, I think that the non-stick coating, so this pan costs 24 centimeters and the other one is 28 centimeters. It doesn't look quite the same. Maybe the model has changed. So it's basically $40 for each pan. $80 every 2 years. Is it worth it? I think the aluminium does get recycled. I don't think this non-stick coating, I think Adam Ragusier has done a video about this, it doesn't harm you. But yeah, I just thought it was fun to show off our pans because they look kind of grotesque, right? And now I'm going to order these two and hopefully they're in stock, because I think last time they weren't. Oh, sold out. Yeah, they're always out of stock, these ones. And the design doesn't look the same as this, does it?
Daddy.
Pardon?
Because
Oh, we need to wash your hands, sorry. These pans are not very clean. Any suggestions for a non-stick pan? See my other videos, Circle On are not any better. Bye guys.